Hello guys, eh, I got this treasure box right in front of me, and what's in the treasure box is the fan chain, or the pull chains that I use for the ceiling fans. And I'll tell you where they came from, which fans they were hanging on, and things like that. Anyway, let's get started. Look at all these pull chains. Here. Now, time to show you. These came from the Harbor Breeze Concord ceiling fan. And look how rusty they are. They're just old. The Harbor Breeze Concord has been in there about 25 years. 5 years. Anyway, time to go to the next one. This was from the Brown Hunter ceiling fan. Take out that brown thing out. This is from this one that got ripped off. You'll see. See, it just got ripped off. Now go to the next one. These were from the White Hunter ceiling fan, and I use one of these on the Brown Hunter ceiling fan. So anyway, the next one. This is the white fan. This was from the Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. And I couldn't find the other one. Go to the next one. This was from my grandma's house. And now this is a long pull chain. You see this? And now this is a pokey fan chain. And that was from Gumby and Pokey. Now, this one, Gumby is missing. I got Gumby and Pokey fan chains for Christmas. Go to the next one. I think that's the last one. This is from anything. I don't remember where it came from. I think that's it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And there is lots of more stuff to come.